Governor Cuomo will confirm today that New York City can enter phase 2 on Monday. Mayor de Blasio made the announcement yesterday. Probably the biggest part of phase 2 is outdoor dining, which will now be allowed. And this is going to be big for the restaurant industry. It is something that the industry desperately needs. This is expected to save 5,000 restaurants and 45,000 jobs. Now, restaurants still have to limit capacity and space tables 6 feet apart outside. Some restaurants we've seen are installing plexiglass between the tables. Employees are also required to wear masks. So here's a look at the exact types of outdoor dining that can start on Monday. Restaurants can offer curb lane, sidewalk, backyard, and patio seating. Business improvement districts can also let restaurants use their plaza space, and open street seating starts in July. And here's a breakdown of what else can reopen on Monday. Offices, in-store retail shopping, hair salons and barbershops, real estate and vehicle sales. Playgrounds can also reopen, but contact sports are still not allowed. In total, we may see upwards of 300,000 people heading back to work in the city next week. Both Mayor de Blasio and Governor Cuomo stressed, though, that we cannot see a surge, that we could take a step back if we do see that surge. Governor Cuomo taking things a step farther and saying that he will shut down restaurants immediately and pull their liquor licenses if they don't comply with the rules. Again, phase 2 set to begin on Monday. Live on the Upper West Side, I'm Katie Corrado, Pix 11 News.